In Islam, wudu, also known as ablution, is the ritual purification performed by Muslims before certain acts of worship, such as prayers and recitation of the Quran. Here are the steps to perform wudu. Intention. Niyyah. Begin with the intention of performing wudu for the purpose of purification and worship, with a focused and sincere intention in your heart. Start with Bismillah. Begin by saying, Bismillah, in the name of Allah, to seek blessings and commence the act of wudu. Wash your hands. Wash your hands up to the wrists 3 times, ensuring that water reaches between the fingers. Rinse your mouth. Take a small amount of water into your mouth, rinse it thoroughly, and spit it out. Do this 3 times, making sure to clean your mouth properly. Clean your nose. Using your right hand, sniff water into your nostrils and blow it out gently with your left hand. Repeat this 3 times. Wash your face. Use both hands to wash your face 3 times, from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. Ensure that the water covers the entire face, including the beard, if applicable for men. Wash your arms. Start with the right arm. Begin by washing the right arm thoroughly from the fingertips up to and including the elbow 3 times. Repeat the same process for the left arm. Wipe the head. Wet the palms of your hands and wipe them over the entire head once. Move your hands from the forehead to the back of the head, and then bring them back to the forehead. It is not necessary to wet the entire head, but it is sufficient to wipe over the top portion. Wipe the ears. Using your index fingers, wipe the inside of your ears with the wetness on your thumbs. Simultaneously wipe the back of your ears with the wetness on your index fingers. This should be done once. Wash your feet. Begin with the right foot. Start by washing the right foot, including the ankle, 3 times. Make sure water reaches between the toes and covers the entire foot. Repeat the same process for the left foot. Maintain the sequence. Throughout the process of wudu, maintain the proper sequence and do not interrupt the flow of washing from one body part to another. Supplication. After completing wudu, you may make supplications or prayers for blessings and purification. It is important to note that these steps are a general guideline for performing wudu in Islam. It's recommended to learn from a knowledgeable person, such as a scholar or an experienced Muslim, to ensure accuracy and understanding of the process.